Want your photo in a cool shape? Try Pixlr's mask feature. First, add a rectangle shape, resize it and fill it with any color you like. Next, add 2 circles and another shape from the elements that grabs your attention. Position them as you want, and once you're happy, merge them together. Afterwards, upload the image you want to use. Place it below the shape layer. Click Blend Mode, Mask. Adjust the size and position of your photo, then merge the 2 layers once it looks good. Let's make it more pop by searching for gradient in the elements. Pick one you like and place it in the background. Adjust the opacity so it gives a nice highlight without overpowering the photo. Next, search for metallic elements. Choose one that fits your poster style, resize it, and place it wherever it adds flair. Now we add text for the title. Try different fonts and resize until it feels right. To make it pop, add an outline and shadow effect. You can also add extra text with background boxes and tweak their colors to match your design. For the final touch, upload a glass texture, place it on the second top layer, right under the title, and experiment with blend mode and opacity until it blends perfectly with your poster. And there you have it! You just created a stylish, eye-catching poster in Pixlr. Play around with different shapes, textures, and effects to make each design uniquely yours.